In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the PIN for your Bank of America card. This straightforward process is vital if you've forgotten your PIN or if you're looking to enhance the security of your card. Let's dive into the steps to get your new PIN set up quickly and securely. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Bank of America Global Card Access website. You can do this by entering bankofamerica.com Global Card Access into the address bar and hitting enter. This official portal is designed specifically to help you manage your card preferences conveniently from your computer. Once the page loads, look for the login section. Enter your credentials carefully, your username and password, making sure to double check for any typing errors, especially if you're in a hurry. Accurate login is crucial as it ensures you're accessing your account securely. After you're successfully logged in, look for the Quick Actions menu on the home page. This is typically easily accessible and will allow you to perform a variety of tasks. For the purpose of changing your PIN, you'll want to select the option labeled Change PIN. This will guide you to a new window dedicated to the PIN changing process. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Have your Bank of America card handy because you'll be required to enter the security code that's located on the card. This is usually a 3-digit or 4-digit number found on the back of your card near the signature strip. Entering the correct security code is a critical step as it confirms you have physical possession of the card and helps prevent unauthorized changes. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your current PIN. This is an extra layer of security to ensure that the person requesting the change is indeed the cardholder. If for some reason you don't remember your current PIN, consider contacting Bank of America customer service for further assistance. Once you've entered your current PIN correctly, you'll need to create your new PIN. Choose a number that's both memorable and secure, avoiding easily guessable sequences like wall 34 or repeating numbers. Enter your new PIN once and then a second time to confirm it. This double entry minimizes the risk of any typing errors, ensuring that your new PIN is set correctly. Finally, click the Submit button to finalize the changes. A confirmation message will typically appear once your new PIN is successfully updated, advising you of any additional steps or tips for maintaining your account security. Remember to log out of your account when you're finished, especially when using a shared or public computer. Changing your PIN regularly is a good practice to help maintain card security, and now you know how to do it with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and stay secure.